there, I'm Erin, and I'm going to show you how to create anchor links in Squarespace without using code. So previously you had to add a code block in order to create an anchor link, but now there's a built-in solution. So you can add anchor links to the section area and create those anchor links. So first of all, what is an anchor link? It is a page jump. It jumps to a specific section on a page. So for example, if we click on inquire here, it's going to jump to the about page and it goes to a very specific section. So to add an anchor link, navigate to pages, and you're going to want to go to the page where you want to add your anchor link to. Now, to add anchor links, you can do it on regular pages, and within those pages, there's regular sections, auto layout sections, and gallery sections. There is an option for anchor links in all of those. You can also add them to video and course sections, but you cannot add an anchor link to blog, store, portfolio, and events. There's a little workaround for these four though. You can add sections above or below, and so you could add an anchor link to those. I'll show you how to do that. So I'm just going to go to a regular page here, and I'm scrolling down to this section. This section is an auto layout section. I'm going to head to edit section here and add the anchor link. I'm going to call it stand out. Now, what you should think about when adding your anchor link, it should make sense and look nice because it is going to show up in the user's browser. They're going to see the URL slug. You also cannot create spaces. If you do create a space, it automatically creates a dash. And then also, you cannot have the same anchor link within the same page. So if I were to go down to this section and go to edit section, scroll down to anchor link area, I could not name it the same thing. It's because the URL needs to know which specific page and section, so it can't be the same name. This would have to be something different. But you could use this anchor link on another page. If you have your home page, you could have a section that's called stand-out as well. All right, so once I've added the anchor link in, I'm gonna save, and I am going to add the anchor link to a link. So you could take any text that you would like, and then you're going to do / the page URL slug, hashtag anchor link slug, which is stand-out. And then you'll want to make sure that this is toggled off. You want to stay on the same page. We'll save, we'll exit out, and then when the user clicks, they scroll down to that section. Now, what if you want to add that link somewhere besides that specific page? We'll add it on the home page, and you would do it the same exact way. I'm actually going to show you on a button this time. So your link is going to be the same, and then we're going to toggle this off, and it will link you to that specific section on the about page. And it works the exact same if you're creating a navigation item. You're just going to select link, and we'll name it. So page URL slug, and then the anchor link slug. And then when we click to it, it's going to go to that section. So if you have, say, a blog and you want to add an anchor link, so under edit section, there is no option for anchor link. So what you would have to do is either above or below it, you add a section, whether it's just a small blank section or you have an actual, say, a contact section here, and then you just add the anchor link to this section. So you can technically add an anchor link to a section on a blog page, but you can't add it to the actual blog area here. That goes the same for the store, the events, and the portfolio. You can't add it to that specific section, but you could add it above or below. It could also be just a section, and we can make it super small, just one row, and then you have that anchor link here, and you could use that anchor link because the section here, it's just one row, you can't see it, but it will link to this section here. Let's add something above it. So if on the home page, the page name is blog, and I named the anchor link blog as well. So now when we go there, it's gonna link to the area. It's technically the section that's just above it, but it's a little workaround. And there you go. That's how you can create anchor links in Squarespace without using code.